Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add PHP code to your WordPress pages and post easily just using shortcut. So search this plugin, insert PHP code snippet, search, install and activate. This is the famous, popular and easy to use plugin to add PHP code. Just you have to need to insert some shortcodes. So hopefully guys you like this video. By this simple and easy video we can learn how to add PHP code in WordPress website. Guys, comment your experience with this plugin after use, and guys comment your experience about this plugin. And guys, if you need any help to use this plugin, so comment. I will make a tutorial about this plugin, how to use and all functionality and features for this plugin. So thanks for watching, and guys, check out my WordPress learning playlist. There are some important and must to know videos. Thanks again for watching.